Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I'm one of the authors of Technique.com. Today we're going to continue with our RHCSA 8 series and we're going to continue with how to manage network in Linux, explained with examples. In our previous lessons, we've looked at a lot about network configuration, the NIC files, the basic parameters, and how to set static IPs using 4 different methods. All right. So in this video, we're going to look at the other network configuration files in Linux. All right. So I'm just going to start with the etc hostname file. The etc hostname file consists of the hostname. Let's check the file. All right. So you can see the hostname of the system. You can also use the command hostname ctl status to check the host name as well. You can see various information here, the static host name, which is HQDev1. You can see the icon name, which is a computer VM. Actually, I'm running a VM. All right. You can see the machine ID, the boot ID. You can see the virtualization software, which is VMware. You can see the operating system, whether Enterprise Linux 8.1. You can see the CPU OS name. You can see the kernel as well, and you can see the architecture a 64-bit system. All right. So this is the file that shows you the etc host name is the file that shows you the host name. All right. And you can also do hostname CTL status to check the host name of the system. As an administrator, there are some times that you might want to change the host name of a system. All right. So I'm just going to drop a link to this, a link to changing the host name of a system in the description section below, so that if you want to know how to change the host name of a system, you can click that link and change the host name of a system. Okay, so the second file that we're going to look at is the etc host file. Let me just cut the file. All right, this file consists of a host name and IP address. Basically, it is used to map a host name to an IP address. All right. So in Linux, a host name is mapped to an IP address by either using this file, which is the etc host file, or by using a DNS server. And for a large network environment, DNS server is suitable for mapping. So you can see different IP addresses. Like for instance, this is an IP address and this is the name of the server. This is another IP address and this is the name of the server. All right. These are names of servers and these are IP addresses, right? So by default, when you open the etc host file, this is what you're going to see here. But if you want to map a host name to an IP address, then you can begin to populate the file by yourself. The third important configuration file is the etcresolve.com file. All right, let's just open the file. This file consists of the name server or a DNS address. All right, and it is automatically generated by Network Manager. You can see here, generated by Network Manager. So if you don't really know what you're doing, it's better you don't come here to edit your DNS server. But if you actually know what you're doing, then you can as well also edit your DNS server here, or you just let the network manager automatically generate this file. So when you populate your DNS IP in your network settings, all right, the DNS will automatically be generated here by the network manager. And the name server can be generated, can be populated like this, all right, by yourself, where you would have your name server and the IP address. And it can also be populated like this, where you're going to have the name server, the search, that is, let it search these DNS servers, right? And then you're going to have your name server and the IP address. In the next video, we're going to look at how to add secondary IP address to a NIC, how to permanently and temporarily add a second IP address. All right. So thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.